Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change username in Facebook. First of all, download the application itself, if you haven't already, because it will be much easier to change your name. After that you go into the app. Click on the menu, and open Settings and Privacy, or click on the settings icon. Open it up. Here we press Meta Account Center. Wait a couple seconds, then you open your account where you want to change the name. Click here, and here we find the item, username. Change our name and save. With the help of this video, you were able to change your Facebook username. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. If you have any questions or things aren't working out, post in the comments and I'll answer. That was Phone Support. Bye bye.